So now we're going to try to program this unit here to the Vevor gate opener. Now it's saying to press the learn button once and then enter the default codes here. Now there are two default codes in here. It's 11 and this arrow sign to the left, and then R22 and the arrow sign to the left. Those are the default codes that says they're in the manual. So in order to learn it, I should be able to press this button here, then press the default code. First one is 11X, and then you're supposed to wait until the light goes off. Now, let's see if that worked. Nope, didn't work. So I did change it before I got into it. So let me see if the changed code works. So I'm gonna learn it. Turn the learn on. Put in the code I put. It blinked. So the light went off. Now let's see if it works. There it is. There it is. So got it to work. So all you have to do to get your Vevor to be mated to the controller here is the first, you got to take off the three screws that are there. Take off the top piece. Come over to the unit, and we're going to press this button right here, the learn button. After you press that learn button, you're going to put in the default code, which is 11. You're going to press 1, which is 11 on here, 11 in the arrow, R22 in this left arrow. So once you press 11 in the left arrow, after you press this, there's a light on here that's going to blink. And it's going to learn that code. That's all you have to do. To change the code, you do the same thing. You press this learn button. The light right here is going to pop on. Then you type in whatever code you want plus the left sign. And then this light is going to blink. And when the light stops blinking and turns off, it works. Got this pillow down here for my bad knees. Hey, check this out. Now see this? This is a magnet. This magnet is coincided with the little plate that they have here. So whenever that magnet reaches that plate, that's how it knows how to stop. So they gave you this bracket to install it, and this is off my old Vevor, and I just continue to use that. That's the only thing I kept, because the new one that came with it, it broke off. It's my error. There's nothing wrong with I just didn't have it calibrated properly and it broke off. So this is when it stops. When this magnet gets to the machine there, it'll stop. And I'll show you. So it stops on that end, and it's gonna go all the way to the end, and it recognizes it, and that's when it stops. So you can end up tearing your machine up if you don't have those things properly set, because it'll keep trying to pull. It's pretty strong, and you can tear up something. So make sure you get your magnets set properly. And you don't have to have, look, that's a good 1.5 inches in between there. It doesn't have to touch it exactly. Just need to get within a couple inches and you're fine. And I can't tell you how many times I got a call from my daughter or wife telling me, hey, the gate won't open, blah, blah, blah. They've lost their little key fob, or I don't know. They can't find it. Battery is out. So Vevor They came with this bad boy, and this is the code. Now, let's just get their little lazy butts out of the car, type in the code, and get access. Yeah, that's what's up.